Hello. Today I'll show you how can you create and edit SMS templates from Patient Xpress dashboard and your practice management software. Log into the Patient Xpress dashboard and click on the icon at the top right corner. Click Configuration. Scroll and open Other Template Designer. Edit SMS Designer. Now add New Template, write the template name, enter the SMS content. The highlighted part is the list of variable you can use for auto-filling the patient details, such as FName is for first name, LName is for last name. Similarly, you can use any variable in the SMS template. Now hit Save button and click on OK. Now you can select View Patient and Send SMS while click on the text icon. Select the created template. You can edit the SMS here as well and the send. Message sent successfully. Now you can do this from your practice management software as well. Click on PX button, go to Setup, select SMS type, write the template name, enter or edit the message. You can use the variables also. Hit Save button. Template has been saved. Now click on Patinfo button to send SMS to the patient. Make sure that the patient is already selected. Send text, then select template. You can edit the SMS here and then click on Send. Thanks for watching.